In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you should know when using charts here in Google Sheets. So the first and most important thing that you should know is that charts auto-update with newly added data. So here in my example sheet right here, I have this table of registrants and a pie chart that represents the percentage of paid registrants per state. So if I were to add some new data right here, there we go. And there you have it. So as soon as I've added those data, it has been added to my chart as well. So again, with any newly added data, that would automatically be added to your chart right here. The second thing that you should know when it comes to your charts, that you can aggregate your data. Now, aggregating your data is quite simple. All you have to do would be to click on this ellipsis right here. Now, before that, let me just move it at the moment on this side. There we go, so that we can see our edit chart. So if I click on this ellipsis, we'll see more options, and right at the top, just click on edit chart. Here we have it. So here in our chart editor, we can do a lot of things. We can rename our chart, customize it, and most importantly, we can aggregate it by column. Depending on what you have on your table, you can definitely aggregate it to whichever data you want. I'm going to aggregate it by state because there are some states that are repeated on my data. So if we aggregate this, we have successfully combined other states that are present in my data right here. So now we have California right here, represented right here. And next one would be our Maryland state. We have 2 Maryland states right here represented on this table. So with this aggregate tool, we can combine all those data to be represented on our chart right here. There you have it. And last but not the least, the final thing that you should know about your charts is that you can download it. So if you go back to that chart and click on that ellipsis, you have that option to download the chart into a PNG image, a PDF document, or a scalable vector graphics. If we were to download this as a PNG image, click on that. It has been downloaded into your drive. Now, if we were to open it, this is what it's going to look like. And there you have it. So if you were to use this chart in a different case, you can definitely download it and use it for that. And there you have it. Those are 3 things that you should know when using charts here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.